Stress is an inevitable part of life. It's something we all experience, but when it becomes chronic, it can have a profound impact on our overall health. Most of us don't realize that the daily stresses we experience are often affecting us in ways we can't immediately recognize. Our bodies are wired to handle short bursts of stress, but constant stress over a long period of time can lead to a range of physical and mental issues. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 signs that your body is under too much stress and offer simple, practical solutions to help reduce its impact. 1. Constant fatigue and low energy. One of the first signs that stress is taking a toll on your body is constant fatigue. Stress uses up your body's energy resources, keeping you in a heightened state of alertness. While this might serve you well in a short-term emergency, chronic stress keeps your body working overtime. Over time, this constant fight or flight response drains your energy, leaving you feeling exhausted and mentally drained. This fatigue isn't always related to how much sleep you're getting. Even if you sleep for 8 hours, if you're constantly stressed, you may wake up feeling tired and unrefreshed. You may also experience a lack of motivation, difficulty concentrating, or an inability to perform everyday tasks. To help combat this stress-induced fatigue, focus on incorporating relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, or mindfulness into your daily routine. Make sure to prioritize sleep by sticking to a consistent bedtime schedule. Physical exercise can also significantly boost your energy levels, as it promotes better circulation and reduces stress hormones in the body. 2. Headaches and migraines. Headaches, especially tension headaches, are a common result of prolonged stress. Stress causes muscle tension in the head, neck, and shoulders, which can lead to headaches or migraines. When you're stressed, your body tenses up as part of the fight or flight response. This chronic muscle tension can contribute to persistent or frequent headaches. Migraines can be even worse, often accompanied by other symptoms like nausea or sensitivity to light and sound. People under constant stress are more likely to experience these types of physical symptoms. To alleviate stress-related headaches, try regular physical activity to release built-up tension, and consider using stress-relieving techniques like progressive muscle relaxation. Make sure to take frequent breaks from screen time, especially if you work in front of a computer. Hydration is important too, as dehydration can exacerbate headaches. You might also want to incorporate relaxation practices into your routine, such as deep breathing or meditation, which can help release tension and prevent headaches. 3. Digestive issues, bloating, constipation, diarrhea. Stress takes a significant toll on the digestive system, which can lead to a variety of issues such as bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. The stress response triggers the release of cortisol, which affects your digestive system and can cause irregularities. Stress can disrupt your normal gut function by slowing down digestion, leading to feelings of fullness or bloating. It can also lead to an upset stomach or even diarrhea in some cases. To help alleviate digestive issues caused by stress, focus on eating regular, balanced meals and avoiding heavy or greasy foods that can worsen symptoms. Practice relaxation techniques such as yoga and deep breathing to help calm your body and support better digestion. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day, as dehydration can also exacerbate digestive issues. If the problems persist, consider seeking advice from a healthcare professional, as they may recommend additional strategies or treatments to support your digestive health. 4. Sleep disturbances, insomnia, restlessness. Stress often affects the quality of sleep, leading to insomnia or restless nights. When your body is stressed, it remains in a heightened state of alertness, making it difficult for you to relax and drift off to sleep. Stress hormones, particularly cortisol, can make it harder for your body to transition from a wakeful state into sleep. As a result, you may experience difficulty falling asleep, waking up frequently during the night, or feeling unrest despite having spent a full night in bed. Lack of quality sleep compounds the effects of stress, leading to even greater fatigue and irritability during the day. Inadequate sleep also impacts cognitive function, making it harder to concentrate and stay focused. To improve your sleep quality, Create a relaxing bedtime routine that helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Avoid caffeine, heavy meals, and screen time before bed. Engage in calming activities such as reading or meditation to help relax your mind. Regular physical activity during the day can also improve sleep quality, but avoid vigorous exercise too close to bedtime, as it can keep you alert. 5. Muscle tension and pain. When you experience chronic stress, your muscles often contract and remain tense, particularly around your neck, shoulders, and back. This tension can lead to discomfort, stiffness, and chronic pain. Over time, this can result in poor posture, headaches, and even long-term musculoskeletal issues. Stress-induced muscle tension is a natural response to stress, but when it persists for extended periods, it can have serious consequences for your body. To reduce muscle tension, incorporate relaxation practices like yoga or stretching into your daily routine. Gentle exercise, such as walking or swimming, can also help release muscle tightness and promote better circulation. Regular breaks from sitting or standing for long periods will also help keep your muscles flexible. Consider using a warm compress or getting a massage to ease muscle tension if it becomes persistent. 6. Mood swings and irritability. Stress can have a significant impact on your mood, leading to irritability, anxiety, and even depression. When you're constantly under stress, your body produces cortisol, which can affect your emotions, making you more sensitive or reactive. Mood swings and irritability are common signs that your body is struggling with stress. Stress often triggers emotional responses that make it difficult to stay balanced and composed, leading to frustration or an inability to manage your emotions. To better manage stress and improve your mood, practice mindfulness or meditation to help regulate your emotions. Regular physical activity can help reduce stress and boost your mood by releasing endorphins. Make sure you're getting adequate rest and sleep to support emotional resilience. Journaling or talking with a supportive friend can also help process difficult emotions and reduce stress. 7. Skin problems, acne, eczema, psoriasis. Chronic stress can also affect your skin, leading to flare-ups of conditions like acne, eczema, or psoriasis. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, which can increase oil production in the skin, leading to clogged pores and acne. Additionally, stress weakens the immune system, making it harder for the body to fight off infections, which can exacerbate conditions like eczema or psoriasis. Stress also impacts your skin by increasing inflammation, leading to redness, puffiness, or flare-ups of sensitive skin conditions. To manage stress-related skin problems, focus on practicing stress-reducing techniques like deep breathing or yoga. Maintaining a consistent skincare routine, using gentle products that suit your skin type, and staying hydrated can also support skin health. If stress is causing persistent skin issues, consult with a dermatologist for advice and treatment options. 8. Difficulty concentrating and mental fog. One of the most frustrating effects of chronic stress is the impact it has on your cognitive function. When you're stressed, your brain is focused on handling immediate threats, which makes it difficult to concentrate or stay mentally clear. Stress-induced cognitive fog can make it hard to focus, process information, and remember important details. Chronic stress can also impair memory, decision-making, and creativity. If you're experiencing brain fog or difficulty concentrating, it may be your body's way of signaling that you need to address the underlying stress. To combat mental fog, incorporate mindfulness and relaxation techniques into your routine to help calm your mind. Regular physical activity, proper hydration, and adequate sleep are also essential for maintaining optimal cognitive function. Taking frequent breaks throughout the day to rest and recharge can help improve focus and reduce stress. If the mental fog persists, consider seeking professional advice, as stress can sometimes trigger underlying conditions such as anxiety or depression. There you have it, the top 8 signs that your body is under too much stress and what you can do about it. From constant fatigue and headaches to digestive issues and skin problems, stress manifests in a variety of ways that can impact your physical and mental health. By recognizing the signs and implementing stress management techniques like relaxation exercises, physical activity, and adequate rest, you can reduce the negative effects of stress and improve your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing stress and maintaining your health. Take charge of your health today and start implementing these strategies for a healthier, more balanced life.